Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tech here, and it's 9:47 a.m. on September 10th, and I wanted to share a very lucrative, easy, simple way to invest in Bitcoin. It's one that's only available for people in the United States, even though this one says, somehow maybe people from different countries are sneaking in, but this is really only for the United States. Okay. This is something I've been using extensively aside from my trading account, really just to accumulate more and more Bitcoin, just as like a store of value. And it's been absolutely excellent. And that's Coinbits App. All right. In 2019, Coinbits App is the easiest way, in my opinion, to invest in Bitcoin. Now, let me just break it down real quick. It's very simple. Even though it's called Coinbits App, it's just a website. Okay. So there's no app to download in Play Store or iTunes. It's just a website. And what this website does is it rounds up much to in the same way that Acorns does and some other websites. It rounds up and invests in Bitcoin with those roundups. All right, so here's I'm not going to put my back office up here, my dashboard. But this is in a nutshell what it is. It's very straightforward. Okay, you have the green right here, that's the profit. And then you have your Bitcoin total, and you have all the transaction history and all the roundups that they took. All right, you have a multiplier, which means that, you have a difference of, let's say, 10 cents to round up. And if you pick a 2x round up, they double it to 20 cents. Or if you pick 3x, 30 cents. Or 5x, 50 cents. So on and so forth. So here we have the multiplier. 2x, 3x, 10x. There's also straightforward, just investing. Okay, so you can just transfer money from your bank account directly into it and buy Bitcoin that way. The system automatically buys Bitcoin for you, but you can pause your roundups or withdraw your money at any time worry-free. All right, autopilot, no commissions. All right, you don't actually have the Bitcoin. All right, so you never actually coming in contact with Bitcoin. So if you're somebody who is not familiar with Bitcoin but wants to get in, this is the perfect way, because you don't have to actually transfer Bitcoin in any sense of the word. So you don't have to actually worry about the addresses. You don't have to worry about keeping it safe. It's all on the website. And so if you're not really familiar with Bitcoin and you're probably not trading it or doing much else with it, this is perfect for you, because all you do is store it. You use your roundups to get more, and then you check on your profit margins right under your balance. All right, you have your balance and then you have the profit. So long term, you just keep accumulating DCA, and you keep on going and buying more Bitcoin slowly as time goes on. All right. Now one thing, enjoy leveraging most intelligent long-term investment strategy, DCA. So it's very smart way to do it. If you missed out on 2018 and 17 and the Bitcoin boom, this is the way to DCA and keep on buying more and more as time goes on, and as we look forward towards back launching and other investment vehicles, Bitcoin ETFs, so on and so forth, that are going to bring more and more popularity and everyday usage to Bitcoin. So this is your way to actually get in and prepare for that right now. Now, something that's very lucrative to note, something that's very useful, is that you can actually link a joint bank account together and round up from multiple different debit cards. So this is a strategy I'm using. In my account, we have 3 different debit cards linked together because it's all under one bank account, okay? And what we're doing is from 3 different people, we are rounding up investments and accumulating it much faster. So if you're in a family or you have a joint account with your wife, your girlfriend, friends, whatever the case may be, you can link your joint accounts in multiple debit cards and round up that way so that every single transaction any one of you makes is adding to a Bitcoin pile. And so this is a way you can accumulate it much faster, and the upside is even bigger because you can accumulate it faster and obviously profit faster as well. So that's just one tip and one strategy that if you're really into group economics and you really want to build something great together as a unit, you can do that. And that's what I'm doing. So I definitely encourage everybody to employ that strategy if they can, and make sure you have the paperwork signed and notarized if it's in a contract between 2 or 3 people, to make sure that everything is on the up and up and nobody's backstabbing, and you have to agree on how much is withdrawn, if any is withdrawn before a certain date, so on and so forth. All right, so the 3 or 2 of you agree on a certain date for withdrawal, the amount, and then make sure it's notarized so that you don't want to get into any legal trouble or have any legal disputes with friends, family, and so on. So you want to make sure everything is on the up and up. Leave any mystery out of, or any confusion out, because the first sign of confusion is when people start acting weird and they want to get litigious and start suing people, and you want to avoid all that. So so that's what you want to do. So guys, sign up below. Get started today. Don't wait. Don't wait until late September, October, when BACT is launched and Bitcoin starts climbing up to 15,000, 20,000. You want to start building up your Bitcoin stash today. All right. And like I said, it's safe. You never actually touch Bitcoin. When you make withdrawals, it's in USD and it goes right into your bank account. And the latest price of Bitcoin is how it's sold. So it's definitely a longer term strategy. All right. So guys, check out coinbitsapp.com. The link is in the description. And take care and have a good one. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.